my dear friends, you want to speak in English? Then you need to practice English speaking. So, how to practice speaking? You need to use basic words. You need to use daily basic words like water, eat, sleep, come, go, see, watch. These are the basic words in English. So you have to use these basic words daily in your daily English conversation. We are using daily conversation in our daily conversation in these words in our daily conversation. If you want to speak English, then you need to practice these words regularly. If you're not using these words, then you cannot speak in English. If you want to speak in English, then you need to practice these words regularly. These are basic words, and you don't be afraid to anyone. Don't be afraid to speak in English. If you afraid, then you cannot speak in English. So you have to practice these words regularly. So you have to practice on the road. You have to practice on the forest, in the forest, and you have to practice at home. You have to practice on the road. You have to practice your friends. You have to practice your parents. You have to practice your family, your teachers, and any others. You have to practice, but you have to practice these words regularly. Without practicing, you cannot speak in English. And don't worry about anyone. Don't worry about your mistakes.